Hello, everybody. This is Trader Sabran here. You're welcome to our weekly forecast on GDP USD and Euro USD. And in addition to that, we also do other pairs like gold, USD, JPY, and US30. Listen, it depends on what the market gives us this week, but our major focus right now and this week, week 45, is GDP USD. So I'm going to be doing an analysis on this. And also in addition to that, this video, we are going to be using it as a means of sponsoring some people into our new mentorship program. That means another opportunity for giveaways. Woo! So now, if you want to be part of the draw and you want to win a giveaway into my mentorship program for next week, which is week 46 video, you better pay attention now, because on this video, all you are required to do is to watch it and also comment. And then if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. That's the only way you can qualify for this draw. And anyone, this coming week, week 46, that wins will be giving my course, my mentorship course for free, which is worth about $300. You will be giving for free. And guess what? You also have opportunity to join my mentorship class every week that I hold. So this is a giveaway section one more time. Ensure you be part of it. Now, let's look at the forecast for the week. Week 45. We're looking at week 45. Now, this is GDP USD. As you can see on the daily time frame, we've seen that the market has become bullish daily by breaking the structural high. We see that the market have taken out the structural high. And then we see that this one has been broken. This one has been broken. It looks bullish to us, but we are still bearish though. You see, this is the problem with trading GDP USD. The market broke out of this consolidation. That doesn't mean it's going to continue to the upside, as some people think. You'll be so shocked what the market is going to do by smashing all the way down because of the multiple liquidity pool that is right there. So let me explain this quickly so that you all will understand it based on what I'm looking at on the chart. Now, if you see now the weekly time frame quickly, you will notice on the weekly time frame, we are still very bearish in a way. The market has proven to be bearish on the weekly. What that means is this structural low was broken because the market came pushing up, and then pulled back down and broke the structural low. If you were to look at it from this perspective, you will observe that the structural low was broken. Or one could argue and say, well, the market is still very bullish on the weekly. Why? Because of the swing high that the market created, and this probably gonna be a pullback. But the pullback wasn't strong enough. If it is a pullback on this massive swing high that the market created, then we should be looking at the market dropping to this low, which eventually it would in the future. But for now, the market is reversing on this pullback. So on this structure here. So let's look at this break of structure that happened. And then the market dropped massively to this low. So what are we looking at? Great. It means that on the weekly, this pullback right here is a bullish pullback, which in turn makes the daily a bullish momentum. So the daily is a bullish momentum. The daily is a bullish momentum, and also we are looking at the opportunity to make the market, to buy the market to the upside. And we can. And we will if we have the opportunity. But on a daily time frame, we are going to look out for the opportunity. And now this is what we're looking at. That price will get to this level. That's where you're looking at. Price will get to probably 26 because of the multiple reaction there. Now, let me give you the full fib retracement of that pullback that I'm looking at, which is let's use this one. So now we can see what price did. Okay, this is the low we're looking at, the price pullback. So we still anticipate the price will put to 26. So great, Beautiful trade, beautiful opportunity. So we are looking for more buys to 26 according to this analysis. So what I'm looking at that will happen this coming week, there will still be more bullish momentum until price hits 26, and then we should expect a retracement to the downside, and that will be an amazing move on GU. But for now, all road leads to buying this market, all right, to this level, which would be approximately maybe let's see how many pips, maybe about great 200 pips to the upside. And then we see that multiple reaction at this level because price came here before, as you can see, multiple reaction at this level. That's 1.2600 on the Fibonacci retracement. So we expect price to get there on GU for a pullback. So we still look very much bearish on the higher time frame, which even the daily, the monthly. If we were to look at the monthly candle, for instance, you will be shocked to see what the market looks like on the monthly. You see, let me show you something. Now, this is a monthly candle. You see what the market is doing. This is just the beginning of the month. And it's not guaranteed that the market will stay bullish like this. It could go up there or even go up here to tap into 61 and drop massively or shrink all the way down. So maybe towards the end of the month, there will be a shrink down, and then the market may shrink all the way down again to measure back into 1.20 price level. So we could expect price to drop back to 1.20. So a major level is 1.20 so that the liquidity will be grabbed. This is in the terms of the future, okay? So let's put it 1.20, and you can adjust it here, and coordinates 1.20 quickly. And that's what we're looking at. So here we're looking at 1.26. So price may get to 1.26 right now on a bullish momentum to the upside. Okay, so 1.26. So we're expecting price to get to 1.2600, and that's what we're looking at. So that is our trading zone for the week 2026. Week 46. So let's go back to the daily and see exactly what we're looking at. So on the daily right here, this is exactly what we're looking at. We expect price, okay, to push higher into the zone, okay. That's what we're expecting. Price push higher into that zone and then begin to reject from that key level. Remember, if you check properly on the daily, this is where price action created multiple reaction. And we also have another block there. We see price action multiple times rejected at that level as a support and break through it. This is the only first time that the market is coming back to test that level before another drop will happen. So yes, we still have a bias of a buy shortly. We have a short medium buy of about 230 pips to the upside, a minimum, and then price will begin to tag down. So expect price to drop there. But in the terms of day trading, for those of you day trade and you do daily analysis and look at the market, you know how we do it. The market gives us opportunity to buy to the upside in multiple times this week. Week 46. I keep saying 26. Week 46. Come on, man. All right. So week 46. So we're looking at that. And also, you have to join the trading lab to ensure that you participate on the daily analysis that I'm sending in the trading lab. The link is in the description below. You have to be able to catch the buys and the sales that the market is going to give us this week. So ensure you are in. So I'm going to be doing daily analysis for week 46, and only those in the trading lab will be having access to those daily analysis. Like I said, it's going to help you understand what I'm looking at every market every day. So I'm a day trader, so that's what I look at. So yeah, for those of you going into swing trade, you want to wait for price to get to 50% level of that pullback, which is at the psychological level of 1.2600 or 1.2700 before price will begin to tag down. But why those of us who are day trading, we still have opportunity to buy this market as long as it's pushing towards 1.2600. And that's what we're looking at on GU this week. So I believe you guys have understanding of this. You can see what we're saying. And then is what the area you have to pay attention to. If you check the 4-hour time frame right now, you can see structures have been broken. Multiple structures have been taken out. Look at that previous high that it created many weeks ago. Was it many weeks ago? Where was that? That was October. Yeah, October 12th, it created this higher high. And look at that. Throughout October, it played around until right in November. Sorry, the first week of November. That high was taken out, and now we are expecting a reasonable pullback, and then we keep buying the market to the upside. And you need to follow me on the trading lab to be able to get access to it. It's called CB Trading Lab. The link is in the description below. Get in and join us on a daily analysis. So this is what I think on GU right now. So I expect everyone to participate this week, and I'll see you up front. Now let's look at the Euro USD. Now, the Euro USD looks very, very interesting, and I want to quickly go in there while I move on the daily time frame quickly. Now, this is Euro USD. Now, the Euro USD, we have the market broke this high already, and it's pushing higher. The question is it a buy market? Is it a buy market? That's the question. Is it? No. It could be like GU. It could be obviously like GU, but let's look at it now. Let's look at the detail of this market. Okay, we're going to look at the detail quickly, and give me 1 minute as I pull out my data on this quickly. All right, now if you check this pair, just a minute, guys. Give me a sec. Okay, I got it. Now, if you check this pair right now in a monthly time frame, you observe something. This is monthly time frame on Euro USD. You observe that the market is a bit consolidating on Euro USD. Okay, that's number one. And number two, there has been a bullish momentum. But what has happened that is the market on the monthly time frame, looking at this picture, you can see already that the market has come to a peak of that retracement. Okay, the market has come to a peak of, whether you put it on the week or you put it on the body, it doesn't matter. It got there. Market has come to a peak of that retracement. Now, there could be possibly that the market wants to pull back into that 1.100, 1.01000 or 100 level, which is psychological level at that point. So there could be a pullback, and then the market was going to find opportunity to drop. So I know a lot of people are still thinking that GU or Euro USD is bullish. It could get to this 50 point, or even worst case scenario, get here and then drop. So there's possibility that the market is still bearish. Why? If you look at it, if you look at the breakup structure here, the breakup structure here, breakup structure here, market has been bearish. This is just a retracement on the monthly, a pullback. So we're looking at a higher time frame. Okay, I understand we're looking at the higher time frame, but I'm just showing you the bigger picture, because your understanding on the bigger picture will give you a clear direction of where the market is going. Now, let me show you something more on the daily. Let me go to daily. So on the daily, this is what we have on the daily. Okay, I want to show you something that is very interesting here. on the daily. On the daily, the market could start reversing. We are not sure. But if you check what the market is doing right here, you can see that multiple reaction here for a while before breaking above it. And then there could be a pullback into it. But let me show you a very simple structure here. Okay, that's a very simple structure here that you can see that the market did create it. Okay, now that structure, that trend line had to be broken. All right, we want that trend line to break. If price doesn't break that trend line, we're not going up. So let me increase the chart view so you can see it. See, we want this trend line to break on Euro USD. So if price break this trend line by coming to this structure high, or coming to this structure high, taking it out, or coming to this structure high, then we have opportunity to say, okay, yeah, the market is bullish. But at the moment, what that's about 200, 300 pips, all right, go to 250 pips. So the possibility of market breaking that high is there because we can see the bullish strong candle. Okay, so the next candle that will open on the daily may push higher than that. There may be a little pullback, a retracement, and then a smash to the upside. So what I would do personally is to set a buy limit, or you can set a buy limit for those who are swing trading. Set a buy limit up there and just catch a buy stops up there and then catch the buy to the upside. Or you could look for a pullback, reasonable structure pullback on this one. But at the moment, Euro USD, for me, it will come to 1.01 thousand, okay, which is approximately that level. Okay, 1.0 1.0, I think that one 1.010, put it that way. Okay, 0.11, so that's 0.10. So we're looking at price pushing higher into, yeah, this level. We'll leave it at 1.010. So give or take, price push into 1.010, and that is the area you should be looking for opportunity to sell. So I'm looking for price to push even higher to this level, and then before a drop will happen, of a necessary drop will happen. So we're looking at it from the monthly and the weekly, and then on the 4-hour time frame, we know that we're just catching in the daily buys. So on the 4-hour time frame, doing the daily alteration where market is going, we can target where the next level, the next level, the next level, which obviously I talked about on my trading lab. So trading lab, CB Trading Lab is where you want to be, where you can catch the daily move. I'm going to be doing the daily analysis on Euro USD and GBP USD right there. So I don't want you to miss it for any reason. I don't want this video to be too long, but this is the picture of Euro USD. Wait for a pullback into that fib to get a buy. Now, Euro USD is close to push up. So we want to get a pullback into the zone and then look for a more opportunity for a buy. You say, why would the market pull back there? Because it's already creating a pullback on the 4-hour time frame. That 4-hour time frame there, 4-hour candle is already closed. A new candle is going to pop open, and we should anticipate a pullback to the downside. A pullback in the sense that because the market created a structure, a mini structure here, as you can see, even though if we're to use this swing up there to that swing high, possibly, yeah, we should expect price to push a little bit back into this zone. I say for another opportunity. So 38, market push into 38 is a good sign of a reasonable retracement, and then we'll be targeting the next high as the market goes. So this is what I'm looking at on Euro USD. There's still a buy opportunity. We will not be selling yet until the market hits 1.1000, which is 1.0000. So we're looking at market coming to that level for a proper structure push up. Yes, it looks bullish at the moment on Euro USD. It just began the bullish momentum. If you were to put a trend line there, you will notice that it's already done the job. Now, Let me just take off that trend line and explain a few things. So if you're going to be buying or selling, wait for opportunity to buy when price pull back, and then you're going to be looking for opportunity to sell in the future when the market goes higher into this level and it drops. So because of this liquidity pool, the market would definitely come to take them out. So that's what we're looking at on GU or Euro USD. So I believe you guys enjoyed this forecast. So get ready for the market to give you that opportunity to buy, the market to buy or to sell, because it's all boiled down to one thing, that GU may drop anytime because GU is that crazy. For instance, price may reject at this trend line and not break it and just keeping to and continue to drop. So what I mean by that is, do not think, oh, it's going to just go up. Okay. No, we see this break. If it's already rejecting at that level. So if it doesn't break this trend line, then it's going to drop. So if it's going to drop, there could be a massive drop. Okay. There could be a massive drop that would take out this liquidity. And then the market will create another structure and just keep going down. That can happen. So that's why I ask you to join the CB Trading Lab. The link is in the description, and you will be able to participate on our daily market analysis. And I'm going to send you my analysis, where I'm getting in, where I'm getting out on a daily basis as the opportunity arises. All right, guys, thank you so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Hope you enjoy.